bud. Oh, Mommy's little Sadie Weeds. You're so cute. Hi, gorgeous boy. Yeah. You're such a good boy. How? Mommy's little Sadie Weeds. The doggies are outside. Yes. They can't bug you. They're on the other side of the glass. Come here, you fool. Sadie. Come here. Come here. That a good boy. You're a precious little one. You've been here longer than the dogs, haven't you? Huh? Yes, your mom's boy. Beautiful Sadie Weeds. Crazy. Love you, buddy.